got you, my friend.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's so long that I haven't actually sat and recorded a video in my house. So today's video is going to be a Shein and Sarojini haul. By the way guys, let me know what do you think of the lighting. I'm sitting in front of a tube light in my room, and yeah, let me know if you like the lighting or not, and let me know how do I look. So there are some stuff from Shein and some stuff from Sarojini, and I thought why not to make a combined haul video, because Shein hauls and Sarojini hauls are super fun to watch. So yeah, let's start with Sarojini first because I have like 5-6 cheezein to show you guys. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started with the haul. So the very first thing that I got from Sarojini is a white crop top. It looks like this. It has this sort of a neck, as you guys can see. It's kind of stretchy, so it fits me properly, and I got this only for ₹100. And the next thing that I got from Sarojini is a really nice formal white shirt. It's full sleeves and it's perfect if you want to go for a nice interview, you know, somewhere. So yeah, you can wear this. And guess what guys, it is only for ₹100, but the stuff is so amazing. I mean, it's not less than a shirt from H&M or Forever, you can say. The fact is that I really like the embroidery in the front. I'll just show you guys. So yeah, I mean, this is how the elastic wali embroidery looks like in the front. It looks so smart when you wear it, and I really like it. And the next thing that I got is my second denim jacket from Sarojini, because Sarojini is the best place to buy denim jackets from. Looks like this. It's kind of oversized, but I love it. I mean, I got my first ever denim jacket from Sarojini, and it's kind of like a nice fitted denim jacket, you can say, but this one is like an oversized one, and I love it to bits. And guess what, you won't believe the price of this denim jacket. I got it only for ₹250. I know denim jackets इतनी भी सस्ती नहीं मिलती हैं, but Sarojini में मिल जाती हैं. I really like it guys. It is so cool. Looks like this from the back. I like it so much. Okay, next up I got a pair of earrings from Sarojini. This is how it looks like. It is so pretty. It kind of gives like a bohemian vibe, and I love it. I mean, you get all sorts of latkane wale earrings in boho styles, but I never got a stud type of an earring. So yeah, I mean, this is so pretty, and I am pretty sure I got it for ₹50, yeah. Then I got something really interesting. I mean, I have never owned any bohemian sort of a ring, but this is like my first ever ring, and I really like it. So this is the ring looks like. It is so pretty and so huge, I can't even tell you. I mean, I'll just wear and show you guys. This is how it looks like. It looks super duper pretty, and this was only for ₹100. Then I got a small nose pin because I am really fond of wearing nose pins. I love nose pins. So this is like a really tiny one. I am sure you guys cannot see it from here, so I'll just zoom in and show you guys. So this is the nose pin looks like. It is so pretty and so tiny. I mean, it was looking so good on me, and yeah, I got this for ₹50. So yes guys, those were all the things that I got from Sarojini, and now let's jump on to the Shein items. So the thing is that there are some stuff that has been sent to me by Shein, and then there are some stuff which I bought with my own money in October. So ye wala Shein haul is like, you can say I've been accumulating since October. So the first thing that I got is a headband. Now this headband मुझे क्या हो रहा है यार आज? So this headband, I am sure you guys have seen me wearing this in my Instagram photos and in my Goa vlog part 1. So I wore this headband with my maxi dress that I wore on my birthday, and it was looking so pretty. And this is the floral print, and I can't really wear it and show you guys right now, otherwise I will ruin my hairstyle, which I really don't want to. Also, I will leave the links to all the products in the description box below, so that if you want to buy any product, you can go ahead and buy that. So yeah, this is the first headband that I got. Now the second one is in satin material, I don't know, and this again looks super duper pretty. Now the third headband, actually I was expecting a lot from this. I expected it to be sort of a tiara, sort of a hairband, but it looks like a छोटे बच्चों का headband and it looks like this. I mean, I don't know. पता नहीं मैं क्या लग रही हूँ पहन के. Maybe I can use it to kind of get like an Instagram picture click जिसमें ये ज़्यादा ugly ना लगे. Let's see, but yeah, I do not like it. Next up, I got a wallet, a new wallet. So the last wallet that I got from Lulu and Sky was kind of shimmery, and I am not a big fan of shimmers. So मैं बहुत ही जल्दी बोर हो गई थी उससे. So I got this wallet and it's of a sky blue color. So this is how it looks like. I really like the sky blue color and then this pinky things. I mean, it gives such a tropical vibe and I really like it. So the next thing that I got from Shein is a pair of golden earrings. So this is how it looks like. It is so pretty. It's so dainty. Like, I'm not a big fan of shimmery wale golden earrings, but I really like these sort of dainty earrings and looks so pretty. And yeah, really happy about this. Also, I got two more things from Shein. So number one, I got a maxi dress, which you guys have seen a lot of times on my Instagram if you follow me. I wore it on my birthday. And the next thing that I got was a pair of golden flats. Again, it is so comfortable. I really like it. And now let's move on to the stuff that Shein sent me. The first thing that Shein sent me is a pair of sunglasses, and I've been wanting these sunglasses since a long time because these are so trendy. But yeah, I think better late than never. So I'll just show you the packaging. I am like such a big fan of the packaging. So it came in this cardboard box. Okay, this is like the first layer of packaging. Now when you open the box, you have this sunglasses case. Now when you open it, you have this kapda saaf karne wala iske saath ka. And then you have ये. Now when you remove it, you have another plastic packaging. I mean, the packaging game is on, literally on. Shein, I'm really impressed. So yeah, these are the sunglasses and these are so much in trend. You have to wear it here and you look like this. My brother calls me a joker, but I don't mind. So yeah, I really like it. So the second last product from Shein is a clothing item, and it's a really nice long trench coat. So again, I'm not going to be trying it because I have planned a winter lookbook and I am waiting to style these outfits in that lookbook. So wait for it, and I'm definitely going to do that. I really like it. It's so long that I can't even show you guys properly, but I really like the detailing on the sleeve. It is so cool, and it looks like this from the back. I know you cannot see me. I will most probably insert a picture on the screen to show you guys how it actually looks. And the last thing in the haul is like my favorite piece. I mean, I was literally saving the best for the last. So it's a faux fur coat in a bright pink color, and I am in love with it. And it looks like this. It is so soft and so cozy. I mean, I can literally live in it in winters, you can say. And yeah, this is like the softest faux fur coat that I have owned till date, and it is of a really pretty bright pink color. Absolutely in love with it. I mean, you can style it in a lot of ways. So happy with it. This is my favorite item, literally. So yes guys, with that I am done with the haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and if you did, then you know what to do. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, if you feel like connecting with me a little more, then please go ahead and follow me on all my social medias, which would be linked in the description box for you guys. I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, you all stay happy and stay beautiful. Bye bye. I am really stupid and I have to itch my thigh right now. सारे काम मुझे वीडियो के टाइम ही करने होते हैं. Anyway, फिर से खुजली हो रही है यार. वुलन कपड़े पहन के और किसको खुजली होती है. So yes, without any further double chin. I like it. I like it. Focus हो जा भाई. बल्ले बल्ले हो जाएगी, बल्ले बल्ले हो जाएगी, बल्ले बल्ले. अयो. 1 बजे सो के उठती हूँ फिर भी ये हाल है, बताओ यार. Because oh thank God. That's it.